Unraveling Attenuate, simplifying complex words. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a word that sounds complex but is quite fascinating. Attenuate. Stick around to uncover its meaning and usage, so you can confidently add it to your vocabulary. Attenuate is a verb that originates from the Latin word attenuare, which means to make thin. In modern English, attenuate has two primary meanings. 1. To reduce the force, effect, or value of something. 2. Example, the doctor prescribed medication to attenuate the pain. 3. To make something thinner or weaker. 4. Example, the fabric was attenuated to create a finer texture. Medical and scientific context. In medical or scientific contexts, attenuate is often used to describe the reduction of severity or the dilution of a substance. Example, the vaccine works by using an attenuated form of the virus. Technical and engineering context. In technical fields, especially in engineering or physics, attenuate refers to the reduction in force, power, or amplitude of a signal. Example, the engineers are working on a material that can attenuate sound waves. Everyday language. In daily conversation, attenuate can be used metaphorically to mean reducing the impact or intensity of something non-physical, like an argument or a situation. Example, their apology helped to attenuate the tension in the room. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can deepen your grasp of attenuate. Synonyms: weaken, diminish, lessen, reduce. Antonyms: intensify, strengthen, enhance, amplify. And that's a wrap on attenuate. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident in using this versatile word in various contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.